নমস্কার, গোপা চক্রবর্তী এসে গেছি প্রচুর প্রচুর শাড়ি নিয়ে আজ আবার। গ্রিন হাউস কলকাতা। গ্রিন হাউস is at টলিগঞ্জ মেট্রো স্টেশন as well as কিয়াতলা রোড। গ্রিন হাউসের আজকে কটনসে আই এম পপুলার ফর কটনস, খুব কটনস এনেছি, খুব কটনস তৈরি করাবো। টাইম টু টাইম আই উইল কিপ গিভিং ইউ। সো লেটস স্টার্ট। গ্রিন হাউসের গ্রেসফুল কটনস, look at the malmals. They are mal cottons and the batik has been done from our woman team. Dekhun batik gulo, such a beautiful piece, very handy. 2100 please, 2100 for this, sorry. And the blouse to team up with. So many people asked for geometrical. Ek level e kintu debe tumi. It's not coming. This piece is for 2100 dear. This is again a mal. Maler bahar dekhun. Look at the style, geometric. A stylish one when worn, it gives you a look of a chiffon or a georgette. This saree goes for 2100 please. They are the fresh ones from Greenhouse. New concept, new design. এবার সম্পূর্ণ নতুন রকমের বাটিক। এভরি টাইম আই এম ট্রাইং টু গিভ ইউ নিউ ডিজাইনস। নাম্বার 3, ভেরি সফট ব্রিজি, পরেও আরাম, সুন্দর শাড়িগুলো, লম্বা চড়া সুন্দর শাড়ি। আই ওয়ান্ট টু গো থ্রু, পুরোটা দেখিয়ে দিই একবার। Pull it hard, yeah, so that they could take the screenshot of the saree. Yeah, this is the aanchal part and the blouse section. Oh, I think saree is okay. Fine. This is the blouse piece. One more malmal, the famous butterfly impressions on this saree. Number 4, mal cotton, very super fine quality, 2100 please, 2100 টাকা দাম, 2100 with the blouse. It goes with the palla of the saree. Very beautiful pink. 2100 dear. This is on spun material, hand woven, completely hand woven saree. Number 5, number 5 goes for 2100. hand woven saree, সম্পূর্ণটা হাতের। Look at this blouse section, comfortable blouse piece. এটাতে ব্লাউজ তৈরি করে নিতে পারবেন আপনারা। 2100 টাকা দাম। Number 6, number 6. Again a very smart piece. We tried to give you geometrical prints this time. This is the octagonal one print. A smart indigo. Hand woven. This is also hand woven for 2100. Hand woven sari. Very light, breathable, breezy saris. Very comfortable. Ekta dekhai. Such comfortable one. And the drape also comes beautifully. $2,100, dear. And this is on Mangalgiri cotton. Mangalgiri cotton and the Azrak style batik. This goes for 3,600, dear. 3,600. You are getting 300 rupees off on this sari. 300 rupees off on this sari. 3,600, dear. And this is the blouse to complement with. Very beautiful. I swear they are very good. They're very good material. And the mulls. Last episode I finished with all my mulls. So I thought I'll make again and show you. They're all fresh ones, dear. All fresh mulls. With the color bar and the front section. The sari when draped, it will give you, it will come up and it comes like this. The sari goes, it will come like this. দেখাতে পারলাম না হ্যাঁ খুলে দেখায়. Look at this. Look at the fineness of my texture. The texture especially. Subscribe করতে ভুলবেন না আমার চ্যানেলটা প্লিজ. Please do subscribe and share my channel. এগুলো সবই আমি 2100 টাকার শাড়ি দেখালাম. একটা শুধু মঙ্গলগিরি কটনটা তো অন্যরকম দেখালাম. টাচ এত সুন্দর টাচ না, গরমকালে পরে আরাম পাবেন. নাম্বার 9. All mal cottons. You choose one and take one for ourselves and you will see that what type of quality we are giving. 2100 টাকার মাল. 2100. Look at the achal section. একটা মাল ইউজ করে দেখুন কি কোয়ালিটি আমরা দিচ্ছি মালে. 2100 প্লিজ. This is the Gachi Toshor. We start with our Gachi Toshor section. These are all Gachi Toshor. This is Gachi by Gachi Toshor. Very artistically done up. And the sari goes like this. Pleasant color. It's not really rust. Ruster মধ্যে একটু একটা আভা আসছে pink. Very soft and soothing color. And here we are giving 5% discount on these tassels. We are giving 5% discount on Gachi Toshor batik. Number 11 देखिए दी যত দেখাবো 6800 again number 11. This design is very much in demand from Greenhouse, very much in demand. 6800, but we are giving 5% off on this special Gachi Toshor ones. They're all fresh ones. This is customary to give, so that I am giving you 5% discount. Number 12. Yeah. Oh, I have pulled the other one. Okay, fine. 12 নম্বর শাড়ি দেখুন, খুবই ডেকোরেটিভ, অনেকেই চেয়েছিলেন, আবার হয়ে এসছে. There was a demand for this saree, we've got it again made. Got it made again. Look at this piece. Very beautiful. After a long time I got this saree. 6800, 5% discount on this saree. This is saree number, let me tell them again, saree number 12. A classic one, especially the color. The work of my artisans, I salute them. Adbhut, very beautiful. This is again we are showing at the wrong side. এটা হবে তো সব শাড়িটা উল্টো, এদিকে ধরো. This is the saree. This is the saree. ঠিক করে দেখা. Why don't you spread the saree? Why are you going that side? এখান থেকে spread করো. এখান থেকে spread করলেই হয়ে যাবে. Look at the saree. $6,800. We are giving 5% discount on this saree. Number 14, dear. Or discharge. These are 6,000 from Greenhouse. The discharge prints. Number 14 on Gachi Toshor. Premium quality tussar. You need not have to worry about my quality. This is again going for 5% less. 6,000. 6,000. Look at the palla. The saree, the color. So gorgeous. And the blouse section. It will be very colorful. The archel is mustard and the blouse is magenta. It gives you a good color. See the contrast. This goes for 6,800, 5% discount. 6,000, sorry, 6,000. 15 নম্বর শাড়ি, এটা তো যেতেই হবে, এটা তো ভীষণ ডিমান্ড, আবার এটা হয়ে এসেছে. We have just made it in red border this time. Usually we get it make it for black one. 15 নম্বর শাড়ি. Number 15. Look at this saree. How beautiful it is. এদিকটা দেখো, ওই দিকটা দেখাও, উল্টে দাও। আচ্ছা, এটা পুরো খুলে দাও। Rest of the saree is like this. Have you shown the blouse part? Blouse is running, no? Yeah, because it will match with this section. Eight the blouse have it. This is the blouse piece, and the saree goes like this. 6,000. You are getting 5% off on this saree. Looking for georgettes? The georgettes are in now. Sholo number shari. 60 grams georgette is going for 6,600. Batik on georgette. Batik made on georgettes. This is the palla. Also stylish. And the other half, এইভাবে দিয়ে দাও, তোমার হাতটা দিয়ে দাও। Other half is like this. Pull it from there. এটাও মনে হচ্ছে উল্টো আছে শাড়িটা, এই শাড়িটা উল্টো আছে। ঠিক আছে, if I get time I will show you again. Number 17. Saree number 17. How light the georgette is. Very nice. Very beautiful. Look at the quality. $7,000 for this batik georgette. Look at this stuff. Very beautiful. 7,000 for this. The blouse is not ready as yet. We'll be providing you the blouse after 7 days. We'll take some time for that piece is lost, I think. The georgette. শাড়িগুলো উল্টো রয়েছে। This is the portion, it should wrong side. এইভাবে দেখো, এই রকম থাকলে এটা ফ্রন্ট, সামনে। Yeah, this is again one georgette. Georgettes are ready. 6,600 for this georgette. And we have given the blouse. And our Palash batik. So very popular. No discount on this. This is for 5,800 for Vishnupur silk. 5,800, number 19. Look at this section. Kono stage artist, some performer, they will really enjoy the saree. পারফরমেন্স দিতে পারেন এই শাড়ি পরে। এদিকটা the saree. Such a beautiful texture. Number 19. Very artistically done. This is on our mulberry silk. দেখুন এগুলো খুব সুন্দর হয়েছে কাজগুলো every time I'm giving you new designs. These are all from our artisans. That is the blouse section for number 20, sari number 20. Look at the shade. It's so cool. ঠান্ডা ঠান্ডা শাড়ি পরলেই ভালো লাগবে নিচে ছেড়ে দাও The saree goes like this. Look at this. How elaborately done up. ভারী সুন্দর শাড়িটা কিন্তু এটা শিউলি ফুলের এফেক্ট দিয়েছে আর ইজ লাইক দিস and the blouse section. And the blouse section. এটাও wrong side দেখানো হলো. This would have been the saree. A lot of mistakes this time, sorry dear. This is like this. The saree comes like this. I was wondering something is wrong somewhere. Sorry. I'm so sorry. This is what it is. Number 22. $5,800 for this Bishnupur silk. 5,800. Look at the workmanship. It's from very famous artisans. That is, the price goes up. You know, their band days are more. Look at this. Look at the blouse section, aanchal section. 5,800 for this saree. All throughout. All throughout. And this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece with the saree. And this is the saree of the day. It's very difficult work, but they've made it look so beautiful. Underworld. সব দেখুন পুরো নিচের সামুদ্রিক everything is দেখো sort of aquarium. The color scheme so wonderfully set up. দেখো শাড়িটা a very difficult task. $5,800 for this piece. এটা নিয়ে নাও এবার একটু অন্যরকম করে দেখাই. This is the saree. hold it tight, beta. Yes. This is the sari. Number 24 coming up with again one interesting piece. All on mulberry silk. The sari, the front portion, it will cover up. It's like this, and down below the rest of the sari gives you this grace. And the blouse section. Now I have reached the last one. Please subscribe and please share my channel. Chalo, it's very colorful. Last শাড়িটা দারুণ সুন্দর দেখিয়ে দিলাম 5800. This is on mulberry silk again, good quality mulberry silk. And I'll sign up. That's all for today, dear friends. Let me wind up, show you the blouse section. This goes for 5,800, please. Bye for now.